Hey guys, welcome to the OMG Free TV video, how to install some apps on your unit so you can use it. First thing, of course, make sure that you're connected to the internet. We are going to start off by going into our browser. Now, we have to change the player on this. So in your OMG, it was the media player. On this, it's going to be the Yes player. So I like to use a search engine below Google. I'm going to type in Yes Player. That's going to be the first one that we want to install before the other apps. So here's Yes Player. Alright, this is what we want. Okay, select download. Okay, now let's go ahead and open up another web page. Go to Google, and this time we're going to go type in Showbox. Let's scroll down to Showbox APK. See, it's starting to download. So while that's installing, we're gonna open up another web page, and we're going FreeFlix. Okay, now select download up here. And then you have your downloads. We obviously want the highest, latest version. And that's starting our download there. So just kind of want to give it a few minutes, let everything install, and then we're going to press the home button on our remote. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, we're going to go into apps. Now we want to go into our TV app store. When you see this, press your return button and go back into it. Usually it helps. Now let's go to utilities, file manager. Go ahead and update that. Now we want to come down here to the bottom right and select install. And bottom right, select open. Okay, now what we want to do is check these out. Let's go to Showbox, select install. Now we want to select open. You always want to select the update. Now we're going to select install. select open. Okay. Now, top left-hand corner, you're going to see 3 horizontal bars. That's going to be your menu. Go ahead and click on that. You can change to movies, TV shows, trailers. Your favorites will also be located here. You can check out new releases. Let's go to movies. And let's select Deadpool. Okay, this is going to tell you a little bit about the movie. You never have to download the movie. It's always going to be here. Add it to your favorites if you need to. Here are movies that are similar to it that they give you. Let's go ahead and select Watch Now. Always on these screens, you're going to see an X or a skip ad. Click on that to get rid of the advertisement. And there's the movie. Looks like good quality. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and press the return button to back out of here. Now we're gonna press return all the way out of this app because now we need to check FreeFlix. We're going to install. Now we're gonna select open. Bottom right, you're going to see some arrows pointing to the right. Press OK on them until you get to the check mark. Now this is your main screen in FreeFlix. I'd advise to read the release notes, the channel logs, the helpful tips. Top left hand corner, you're going to see 3 horizontal bars. This is going to change from movies to TV shows, live TV, news, and more. Let's go ahead and try to watch a movie. On this screen, you can change your server, which is going to be the quality. If you're not happy with the one they provide for you, you're going to select watch. I'm actually going to select 720. And our movie's starting. Okay, so also in this app, if you press the OK button or a back button, you're going to get this, and you're going to see these options up here. The one that says HD will allow you to change your sources if you're not happy with the one that they gave you. Alright, let's get out of here. Now, to access each one of these apps, when you turn the unit on, you will need to go into your apps now, not OMG Free TV. You've got FreeFlix and you have Showbox to use. Terrarium is being updated at this time. We suggest do not use it. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope this video helped you.